Hello everyone, welcome back in my YouTube channel Digital Job Hunting Hacks. In this video guys, I'm going to discuss about Malta D Visa application form. If you're planning to move to Malta for work study or long-term stay, you will need to apply for Malta D Visa. And that starts with filling out the correct application form. Now remember, the Malta D Visa application form is not the same as the Schengen Visa form used by the many other European countries. It's different process with a different question, especially for a long time stay like work permit. And there is a good news: you don't need to pay any agency or middleman to fill out this form. If you have a phone or a laptop, you can do it by yourself. In this video, I'll guide you step by step how to fill it out correctly so you can avoid common mistake and increase your chance of getting approved. So let's start. First, download the Malta DBS application from the Identity Malta website or BSF Global website. The link is in the description below. And don't worry, I will show you how to download. So let's get started guys. Okay guys, now we are in Chrome browser. Let's write Malta DBS application form. So yeah, okay, we're looking for that one. So you guys can see there is have a several download link that we can download the D Visa application from Identity Malta website and VSA Global website. So let's download it from Identity Malta. So let's download it guys. Okay, this is the one that we have to fill. The Malta D Visa application form is different compared to like if we can talk about any other Schengen country. Let's see, let's say France, Italy, Germany, they're using the same application from Malta, also using that application form, but they recently changed the application form. They created their own. So this is Identity Malta. So this is their a private agency that handling the visa process in Malta. So that's why they're changing. So now we'll fill that one. So let's start guys. So first of all, so we have to open this one. Okay, I'll show you guys how you guys can write and what subject means what. Okay guys, so first of all I will show you all the pages. This is the first pages. Okay, long stay Maltese D Visa application form. You guys can see to write it down. So applicant detail, the first page just about you. Okay guys, and the second page is travel informations, applications details. Okay, this also about you. Okay. Okay, this is a host details in Malta. We'll talk about all of that, so let's show you all of this. Okay, let's begin guys. We have a 6 pages. Okay, first pages, if you are females, write miss or whatever. If you are male, so write M or Mr. Okay, how you guys can write. So this have a T. If you guys can see the options, this one is for writings. Okay, so bring it down and choose the color. Obviously we have to use a black colors, we can't use any other color. So let's write guys. Let's see, my name is Turnby. This is a surname, so we have to write the surname. Okay, how I write, we cannot write like that. Okay, how we should write, I will show you now. I write T, second A, third N, V I R. Now how I write guys. So if you guys can see my sentence, each sentence has each box. If you guys, whenever you fill the application, so each word has to be each boxes. You cannot write 2 words in one boxes. If you write that way, your application will be rejected. So make sure that guys. So I write that one, right? So adjust accordingly. The sentence should be under the box guys. Like don't write like that. Okay, make sure write it down like that. Second one is, let's see, your surname. My surname is Hussein. Double S. Okay, I O N. Okay, this is my surname, like my last name. The surname should be first. Okay, this is my identity document number. Identity document number, like your passport number. So my passport number is not this ones. I write randomly, guys. Don't think this is my passport number. But in this box, you have to write your a passport number. Okay, let's leave it. Okay, so why I write, because I show you how you guys can fill the application from. Okay, I saw like so many videos, that all the videos that they didn't mention how we can fill. They just explain where you have to write what, but nobody's showing. So I was the one who's showing that how you guys can write using your laptop. So if you using a phone, even you can fill out using your phones. They have a like some software that you have to download it from a Play Store. So then you guys can fill. Guys, if you guys need, if you guys like hiring any agency or any middleman, they will charge you a lot of money to fill out this application form. So no need to be paid, right? So if you have a laptop or phone, you can do by yourself. Okay, the first options, you have to tick. When you print it out the application, after filling out, when you print it out, then you have to tick. If okay, let's see, if we're using a draw mark to click it, it will be not, see, I'll show you now, it will be not like perfect. So you see, it's not good, it's not looking good, right? So we have to use a pen for this click mark. Okay, so okay, let's scroll down. So okay, this is the identity document, like your passport number, your nationality. If you're from India, write India. If you're from Bangladesh, write Bangladesh. And other national, okay, if you have any other city, like any other citizenship or whatever, then you can write down. So if you don't have, leave that ones. Write not applicable, not applicable. Don't leave any like box empty, write anything. Let's see, this one is not applicable, right? Not applicable, so write not applicable. And W, not applicable, that's it. See, not applicable. And the place of birth, means where you born. Let's see, if you're from India, if you're from Bombay, so if you're born in Bombay, you have to write that one is Bombay. Okay, if you're born in Hyderabad, then write Hyderabad. So write where you born, write that. And country of birth, well, if you country of birth means where you born, like country of birth. So write, if you're in India, if you're from Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, whatever, so write that. Date of birth, your date of, okay, this is the one that people are mistaking. People don't know how to. Let's show you guys. This one is how people did mistake. I will tell you guys. Wait. So so wait, let me tell you what happens. People are writing the words out of the box. Let's see, I saw so many people, they write here, they're living here. No, just write the details under the box, right, like that. They will catch you words, don't worry. Okay, so leave like that. And date of birth and country of, okay, country, okay, sorry, I'm really sorry. Okay, leave these ones like this. And current occupations mean what are we doing now, what job that are we doing now, write that job. If you're doing, let's say if you're a software developer, if you are like whatever, if you're supervisor, write supervisor. Which occupations are you doing right now, write that. And they will have a gender, if you're male, write tick male. If you're female, tick females. If you're in other gender, write others. Okay, and the downside, never married. So if you're married, write married. If you're not married, write not married. Okay, in the downs, telephone number, no needs, just write not applicables. And mobile number, write your mobile number and your personal email address and your passport details. So type of travel documents, ordinary, diplomatic, service. Okay, so everyone have a diplomatic, so write diplomatic. Sorry, not a diplomatic. Everyone have a ordinary passport, just click it ordinary. And if other is specified here, okay, any other specified here, okay, no need, just write not applicable. And travel document number, like your passport number, write your passport number here. Issues of country, if the passport number issues country, let's see India, wherever in the passport is issues, right there, right here, that number, that names. And date of issues, valid until, like expire date. And travel information, applications, details. Okay, you're the one who traveling, right? So this is about your informations. So traveling informations. Okay, see, purpose of travel. So you can see the purpose of travels. Most of the people is going for work and the visit. If you're going for visit, right, or okay, official visit. Okay, if you're going for visit, write visit. Most of the people are going for work, so not most of the few people going for work. Most of the people in Malta, they're going for explore the country. So if you're going for visit, click the visit. If you're going for work, click others. Okay, place is specified. Okay, place is specified. So place is specified means let's see, you from India and you traveling from India to Malta, so you have to write here India. Okay, traveling from Bangladesh, write here Bangladesh. Board of fast entry, second option. Let's see, if you're flying to Malta, okay, let's see, if we take a plane from India, we can't find a direct flight, right? So see, they have like, if you're going directly from India, so you have one minimum one stop. So if you're going from India, so let's see, if your past entry is Germany, then after then Germany, then you have to catch Malta planes. So you have to write here Germany, broad of first entry. If you enter the Schengen area, which country you land first, you have to mention that name. Okay. So if you directly land in Malta, write Malta. Okay. And don't confuse. And people also write, when people flying from India, when they're landing in Dubai, so they mention Dubai. No, they have to mention Schengen area, which country you land first. Okay, don't confuse. And if you're directly flying from India to Malta, then write direct Malta. If you're not directly flying in Malta, where you land, mention that country name. Okay. And travel date of arrival. So when you travel dates, and travel date of departure, like when you will be come back. If you're going for visit, you have to mention the until date that you will be stay in the Schengen area. If you are going for work, just write first one. No need to be, just leave that one in here. No need to write not applicable. Okay guys, write this one blank. And country of residency, it times of application. Okay, when you fill out the form, examples, if you're living in Dubai, so you are the residents in Dubai, right? If you're living in Dubai, work there, so you have residency card, then you have to write, okay, UAE, United Arab Emirates. Okay, if you live in Qatar, write Qatar. Okay, if you, let's say, if you live in your country, home country, India or Bangladesh, write your country name. Okay, and this is the ones is really crucial, so, and you can't make a mistake over here. Application home address full. Most of the people, they write what? Let's see that, as I mentioned, if you're from resident, if your current residence in Dubai, the people are doing what? They mention Dubai address. No, this is the in this place you have to mention your home address. You guys can see they already mentioned. So application home address full, according your passport. In your passport have a home address, right? Follow your passport instructions and write that all the details. Okay, or the your home address details right here. And your district, let's see, if you're from Bangladesh, you have your district will be Dhaka, and state, province, see, leave that one. So state, city, postal code, county. Okay, I hope you guys will understand. And that one will applications, accommodations, detail in Malta. Okay, you have to write here your Malta like address. If you book hotels, if you already book any apartments in Malta, so mention that address. If you book any hotels, you write your hotel's address, which city, postal code. And this is the ones is important, the host details in Malta, like who invite you if you're going for work. So most of the times the organization is sponsoring your visa, so click organizations and write organization name and the organization's person name. If let's see it's a big company, let's see if you apply, let's say Ozo Group, this is a really big company, so you can't write here. Also in Ozo Group you have to write in the organization box. Second one will be like HR name, who will host you, so write his name here, and the company office address here, and city here, postal code here, and identity document number. Identity document number means in your approval principal letter, like in your work permit, you'll find one number, so write this number over here. And your company telephone number, mobile number, your company email address. You have to write who is paying your expense. So most of the times you are the one who paying you all the expense, so click myself. If your organization hosting you, like they paying your expense, then click it here. And the 4 pages, this is once. Okay, if you're traveling, let's see, with anyone's more than one person, if travels, if let's see, if you have any childs, if you have any kids under below 18, so you have to write all the details. So leave that blank. Is no need for who are going for work. If you're going for visit, if you have children's, then you have to that write all the details. Okay, otherwise leave that pages. And this one also leave 4 pages, no need to write anything. This one's, if let's see, if you're any family related member, like if your grandfather, your mother, your sister, if they live in a European country, they have any citizens, or they are living there so many years, so you can mention their names, their details. If have, it's good. If don't have, no need to write anything, leave that page blank. And this one is application signature, your signature they're asking. After you printed out the application form, you have to write your signature, and this is the date of signature when you signature the application page. Most of the times, not most of the time, you have to mention the dates according your like a BSF global appointment date. Okay, write that dates. Don't If you, let's see, if you fill the application before 1 month, don't mention that dates, okay? So make sure that, guys. And the five one is also application signature, date of signature, okay, date of signature. So when you book, let's see, if you book appointment January 5th, then write January 5th, okay? Okay, guys, this is the 6 pages supporting documents. So this is a valid passport that we have to click, right? Invitations, click, means of transport, click, health insurance, financial means, and others, click all of this, okay? So this is end of this application. So I hope you guys really enjoy the video. I hope if you guys really thinks the video is helpful, please like and subscribe. I can bring that kind of content if you guys can support me. I'm a new, so I just trying to help you guys. So I hope you guys really understand. And okay, guys, bye bye. See you